Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. Today we are going to discuss Algorand and the recent crypto related news. We'll start with the last 24 hours related to crypto news, starting with the crypto TLDR, the last 24 hours crypto related news classified by our machine learning algorithm into bullish, bearish, and neutral. Most of the narratives are neutral, some are bullish related to Bitcoin's resurging dominance, and then again related to Donald Trump and crypto controversy. Also, Pepe related news and one related to sheep. So these are some of the bullish narratives for the last 24 hours. In terms of the risk analyzer, which is our effort to analyze risks and quantify them between 0 and 1, the risk levels in the market have been going down from 0.37 risk to about almost at 0.2 risk. The key idea is when the risk colors are green or blue, that's when DCAing in the market is favorable. When the risk colors are red or orange, then exiting the market is favorable. This is not financial advice, this is just analyzing risk return profile of cryptos historically speaking, using metrics such as volatility, alpha, beta, percent change, and also what is the Sharpe ratio, and come up with a single score for based on the price action of top 100 cryptos by market cap. So looking to analyze the narratives on YouTube and X over the last 7 days related to crypto, the narratives gaining popularity, definitely Bitcoin, Ether, meme coins are taking most of the attention. This is the number of times the narrative occurs over the last 7 days. This is how we create the word cloud. The higher the frequency on the cloud, the more the size on the cloud. So bullishness has entered the market again. People are talking about buying. Bearishness is a small narrative compared to the bullishness. Holding, again people are talking about dumping. Some individual cryptos such as altcoins such as XRP, Solana are also talked about, and the altcoins as a overall discussion is also gaining some popularity. So the key idea is analyzing which particular narratives or cryptos are discussed more. Over here you can see over here Cardano is also one of the highly discussed cryptos. So let's see about the simple moving average risks related to crypto. This is instead of analyzing the entire market, Bitcoin and Ether, which constitute about between 60 to 80% of the market, analyzing their simple moving average based risk level gives us an idea of, again not financial advice, if the market is overheated or cooled down enough to conduct decent DCA opportunities. Right now you can see this is normalized between 0 and 1. The key idea is the difference between price and the simple moving average. If that difference is low enough, the 20 week, that is based on, and if you normalize this between 0 and 1, when the normalized score is less than 0.4, like it is today for Bitcoin, the risk level for dollar cost averaging Bitcoin is low enough. This is again one metric to analyze. For now Ether is at 0.44. Once this when and if Ether goes back to 0.4, that's when DCAing this would be the second best time to DCA Bitcoin and third best time to DCA ETH. If the best time to DCA Bitcoin and ETH per this analysis was June of 2022, when the price was at around for Bitcoin was at around between 16 and 18 and a half $1,000. So that's the beauty of this analysis. Again, looking at the today's newly released feature, which is return on investment of top 20 cryptos by market cap. This analyzes the performance, year to date performance for different year. So for 2024, which is the current year, the winners so far based on the year to date performance, Toncoin, then BNB and Sheep over here. Definitely Algorand right now is not in the analysis because ALGO, I think it's outside top 50 cryptos. It's at number 66. What I have seen that ALGO's rank with respect to the other cryptos is in a steep decline. That means it is going out of touch with respect to the attention to the other cryptos. You can see there are so many new entrants in the top 50 or 60 cryptos which were not present in the last bull run as well as in the bear market. So again, this is one particular way. And if you were to analyze which cryptos did well in 2023, you can see this year to date performance for Solana. Towards the end of 2023, Solana really crushed 2023. Apart from that, AVAX and then Near were some of the winners of 2023. In the bear market of 2022, you can see which cryptos had everything was had a negative cumulative ROI, but there are some cryptos which crashed less than the others. For example, Toncoin 29% decline, Ton about 44% decline, and BNB about 53%, Litecoin at around 54%, so on and so forth. Doge at around 60%. Bitcoin over here had a 65% decline in 2022 itself. So again, this is one way to analyze price movement instead of looking one crypto or one day at a time. Analyzing the entire the top 20 would constitute more than 85 to 90, between 85 and 95% of the market. So analyzing what they are doing as opposed to each other is a good idea to know who are currently crushing the market and winning, and who are going out of favor, such as Matic, AVAX, and Dot over here are the bottom three per year to date. Analyzing per heat map which cryptos have done well. Aptos, Toncoin have done well over the last 24 hours. Maker, Near have done over the last 7 days. We have AI based forecast for all of them. Yesterday or the day before yesterday, we conducted an AI based forecast for Maker. Today we'll be doing the same for Algorand and its token ALGO. So we'll start with the Algorand, which is a top 100 crypto over here, and we'll start with the DCA accumulation strategy for Algorand. This is calculated using the distance between price and the regression function, which is again slightly in a decline right now because price is going down with time. Nonetheless, if we remove some of the future analysis and future regression lines and look at only the color codes and their risk level at any point in time, the best time to DCA definitely when the risk is between 0 and 0.1, like it was up until October 2023 for Algorand when the price was sub 10 cents. Right now the risk is at 0.23 level. That means although the price is at 13 cents, the risk levels are not as great as they were back in October 2023. You can see that the pitfall of this analysis is that you might be DCAing when the price at around 60 cents, when there were about a decline of about 85% from that point in time. This is again just one analysis. Just going forward, instead of using one single metric, if we combine the two, right now this is the SMA based risk analysis, the price difference between price and the simple moving average. Right now the risk level at around 0.34 as opposed to 0.23. so the key idea is when both of the moving averages are favoring entry in the market, that's when entering the market, not financial advice, has been beneficial. Looking at the regression analysis for Algorand, this is again pretty close to the 3 standard deviation bottom right now. The 3 standard deviation bottom is at around 14.7 cents. The price is at 13 cents. This is again challenging the polynomial base case function. That means if ALGO does not come back up, the polynomial function might have to change its shape, brought back from an upswing over here to a downswing like it had starting end of 2021. So this is again our regression based analysis. This again is outside 99% of confidence level. So again this means that either the shape of the regression bands have to be adjusted, and again we do not do any manual adjustments. It's all automated. So if you were to look at this regression bands like 2 to 3 weeks down the line, there might be an update. So if you are interested in knowing the overvaluation, undervaluation of Algorand, please subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. Looking at what the MVRV based discerner, crypto discerner looks at, whether algo is overvalued or undervalued. Definitely undervalued over here. The key idea, the price is in over here is in blue line, the MVRV Z score is in red line. The price, the MVRV Z, the red line is below the zero threshold. That means historically speaking, the price is in a undervaluation phase. That is one way to discern it. In terms of Algorand, its AI based forecast, we had conducted this forecast back in March of 2024, and the bear case for algo in June was at around 13.64 cents. We are very now this is at around third week of June, ending June 23rd, the today's date. The AI based forecast, the bear case scenario for algo was at around $12.28 12.28 cents. Right now the price of algo, you can check it over here, is at around 13.33 cents. So definitely closer to the bear case that we had forecasted back in March of 2024. That means the AI forecast works regardless the market moves bullish, bearish or neutral. So this is again one way to analyze algo. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to the channel, also give this video a like, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.